Hey everybody, Jeff Stroud with Hurricane Strouds, here for a little quick video. My wife got me this neat little thing for Father's Day. She also got me the Y bridge, which you can see in the previous video, but it's called the Flik. I think she said she saw it on TikTok or something like that. You open it up, it's got some directions, high five decal, and it's got the remote and the unit itself with 3M double-sided tape. You take this cover off and you'll need 3 AA batteries, and it should be a little quick install. We'll pull off these little pieces here and they're Velcro, and we'll put it to the back glass and see what it looks like. Alright, so like I said, all you got to do is take this little piece of paper off the back of this Velcro. Like so, make sure you leave the Velcro attached to this when you stick it onto the truck, or you'll have probably some alignment issues trying to get it right, so just leave that all stuck together. All you really got to do is give it a nice little push. I guess it's stayed there until the glue gets bad. But the remote has pretty much got a high five and a middle finger. And yeah, you can see that. You press the high five, the high five maybe works, but it only lasts like 5 seconds. I'm going to grab some different batteries. It's hard to say that it's been easy. Tried 5 different batteries. Luckily, we got young kids, so we're always having toys and that kind of stuff. I bought the rechargeable batteries. They're Power Owls from Amazon. I'm going to charge these batteries, and hopefully that's why it's not having a great connection. All right, we got the batteries charged, and see what the middle finger here does. And stop. A high five. So high five. Just kidding. There you guys go. That was the installation review of the high five middle finger Flik. Like I said, my wife got it found the website off of TikTok. I don't know if you just have to look at flik.me, but I was initially concerned about the relay time, but I think that was just because of the batteries in the main circuit being a little low, but it seems to be working pretty good now. So thank y'all. Y'all have a good day.